everyone. Let's talk about some IELTS listening map type questions and tip and tricks to handle that. We often struggle with IELTS because it's a so new concept for us, and then we have four modules, understanding those, and then we have type of questions, how to master them because every question is important, every question has equal marks. So let's quickly jump into tips and tricks, and these are the real ones which has come out of the experience, and it's one place, one stop shop for you to understand your listening map type questions. So firstly, I'll tell you to make sure that you review the instructions to understand the required actions. For example, they're looking for a word or number, what they're looking for, one or two count, because once you answer, if they're looking for just words and you answer in numbers, though your answer is correct, the answer is 81 and you've written 81 and they're expecting AIGHTY1, which is they'll mark it wrong. So I don't want you to lose marks because of the uh, number length they are looking for, one, two, three, or what words or sentences. What they are looking for is the exact instructions you should follow. Location terminology. There is another terminology which they use, and especially the phrases. And this session, after a few slides, I'll be walking you through the terminology plus the phrases they use to get your answers, and the answers is lying, and this terminology will take you exact location where the answer is. So I would say understand the location terminology with me today. Being familiar with words used to indicate the placement of objects is essential. Identify where the number starts and finish. For example, the first one, 15, starts at the bottom, not the top. The number would be always after each other. So it's not that 16 would be answered before 15, it would be always after 16. And after 16, you'll find 17th answer. So follow this order of the listening. Comprehend the situation. Pay close attention to the opening as the speaker will provide the context, such as your location that will assist you in understanding the discussion. Additionally, examine the map before you have some time, before the speaker starts. Just go and check how the map looks like. Where's the D section? Where's the E section? Where's the gymnasium? Where is the cafeteria? I mean, all the location. Just get familiar with it so that it's not last moment surprises for you. This will assist you determining precisely what you are categorizing. Pay attention to the items that have already been labeled to understand their placement. So, for example, they have told this is a church, and that was your fourth answer. Maybe the 15th they'll use. After the church, we'll go to the gym. So, this is where you have to keep an eye, active eye, knowing what you have marked and what you have labeled, and the speaker. Don't worry, it's not tough with these instructions followed and coming now. Make predictions. Like with any listening test, it's beneficial to predict the possible answer. Examine the empty spaces and try to determine what you are identifying. Could it be a room, a building, a sports facility, a street, or something else? The sequence of number 15, 16, 17 will be in accordance with the order of the audio. So just start, that's what I'm saying. Familiarize with your words, labels, familiarize with your map, which is given on your question type, so that you understand what coming after 15, what's coming after 16, where's the sports facility, where's the street, where's the building, where's the room. Give special consideration to the object that are nearby, such as 15, which is located near the station. So just see near the station if there are some blank marks which needs to be filled by you, the station may be there, making it probable, though not certain, that will be referenced just before number 15. Be sure to look out for other indicators on the map. For example, such as compass symbol that shows north, east, west, south direction. So they can say in the north of the gym there is a road. So in the north of the road there is a cafe. So that would help you to understand the compass signal also has a lot of answers sometimes. This indicates that it is probable that these expression will be utilized to guide you. Keep an ear out of for them. Your location is provided to you as well as inside the tower. Always consider two questions simultaneously listening assessment. If you find out the solution for 16, you will realize that you overlooked 15. Put this behind you and continue forward. If you focus solely on 15, you can overlook both the things. So I would say if you if you've just stuck and you think you've just done something wrong on the 15th, don't spoil your sequence because every question you've just lost one right now. But after you lost your confidence and your listening skill with the speaker or the listening synchronization with the speaker, you can go for the next answers as wrong. Common language location or the terminology which I was talking was at the summit, at the base, to the left, to the right, left side, right side, southern, northern, eastern, western, southern, southern, west, northern, eastern, northern, west. Next to alongside, adjoining, practice. Across, ahead, at the back of, opposite, in the front of, behind, in the middle, in the center, above, below, inside, outside, just beyond, a little beyond, just past. So this would be your IELTS terminology which the speaker would be using. Now please follow my videos completely because I always give advanced tip. Examine the directions and map title. Confirm if it is listed on the below map and specifically locate a probable starting point such as an arrow or an entrance. There would be always a starting point like an entrance or an arrow. Highlight or mark the label on the map. Plan the presence Highlight or mark the label on the map or plan and verify the presence of the compass. As this may mentioned in the recording as part of the direction located south of the adventure playground. So you mapped your adventure playground and now you have to follow your compass, go to the right or north of the playground. If your questions are numbered on the map plan, make sure to see if there is a specific order such as bottom to the top, left to the right. This will show how the recording information will be structured and may show the recording begins. Example question 11 to 17 in the plan follow from bottom left to the top and then bottom right. If the potential responses are shown on the map layout, keep in mind that they do not indicate the order in which the detail would be presented. Example location C could be discussed before location D on the map, but that doesn't mean that location D would come first or location C would come first. Pay attention to the words or phrases that indicate a specific direction or location, such as go straight, on the opposite side, to the left, as this will indicate you to understand an instructions and locating the answer. Pay attention to the specific location mentioned in the number questions or options as the recording will use the name instead of similar term. For example, recording of the map above will mention outdoor gym instead of exercise equipment. Do not let distractors divert your attention. For example, if you have gone with the answer first wrong, don't keep it in your mind. It's just the next one which is coming and you need to answer it correctly. Sentences used in the map would be the kitchen is located in the front of the classroom, the bedroom is in front of the dining room, the stadium is located at the heart of the college campus, the classroom is located at the rear of the stadium, the bathroom is situated between the gym and the reception area, the gym is adjacent to the seating area. Upon arriving at the college campus, you will find the admission department located on the right side. On the school's left side, there is a water cooler. Go through the entrance, make a left, and the classroom will be right in front of you. Just past the stadium, there is a spacious area. Proceed directly to the conference room adjacent to the dinner area. On your left, you will find two gyms. The school is close to the shopping plaza located directly shop and north of the hospital. The park is located directly past the initial lines of the house when going east. The garden is located directly southwest of the high school. The school is near to the shopping center found to the south and north of the hospital. The park can be found just beyond the first row of houses